Hello everyone! The year is winding down and you know what that means. It is time to celebrate, explore and create amazing memories. If you are planning to visit Osun State, we've got you covered. Today, we are taking you on a tour of 5 must visit places in Osun that will make the season of celebration worthwhile and unforgettable. Come with us.
We are kicking things off with a place that defines Osogbo, which is the Osun-Osogbo Sacred Grove. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a wonderland of nature, tradition, and spirituality. The grove is believed to be the home of the goddess Osun. You will find ancient shrines, sculptures, and serene river. It is perfect for nature lovers.
Here we are at the palace of Ooni of Ife, the seat of one of the most revered monarchs in Yoruba land. This historical site is a cultural treasure showcasing centuries of tradition, art, and architecture. A visit to Osun State is not complete without experiencing this iconic landmark.
Standing as a beacon of Yoruba heritage and tradition, the Ooni of Ife Palace is more than just a royal residence. It showcases the rich history and culture of Ile-Ife, regarded as a cradle of Yoruba civilization. Visitors are welcomed into an atmosphere of grandeur, where intricate carvings and timeless architecture reflect the legacy of a great people. A visit to this iconic palace is a journey into the heart of Yoruba heritage and a must-see destination in Osun State.
Here we are at Olumiri Waterfalls, Erin-Ijesha, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in Osun State. This 7-step waterfall attracts visitors from across Nigeria and beyond. Each level of the fall reveals a new perspective to its stunning beauty, making it a favorite spot to nature lovers. With its soothing sound and scenic views, this is truly a place where nature speaks in its purest form. Make this December unforgettable. Visit Best In-N-Out Gardens today beside BOVAS Filling Station, located at Dele-Yes-Sir Roundabout, Osogbo, Osun State.
This is Osogbo's ultimate destination for relaxation and good vibes. At Zest In-N-Out Gardens, you can enjoy delicious meals ranging from pastries, shawarma, amala, semo, rice, alongside refreshing drinks. There is an exquisite bar, a car wash, barbing salon, and even a spa, offering body massages, skin treatments, and more. With a lively atmosphere and excellent service, Zest In-N-Out Gardens promises to keep you coming back. Welcome to Osun Mall, the ultimate destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment in Osogbo. With a variety of shops, restaurants, a cinema, and a mini amusement park, it's the perfect place to unwind and create memorable experiences. Whether you're here for holiday shopping or just to relax, Osun Mall has something for everyone. Don't miss out. Make it your next stop this December.